Yeah, they're in there. Around to the bridge. I'm gonna see if I can get there again. You know, suckers. Not a sucker, but as a bass. Let's see which one. Oh, yeah, one after it.
Is that something?
Yeah, one after it. Oh, small one, I guess. I think it's on there still. Yep, got something. It's a rock bass. Look at the size of that rocky.
Yeah, there's a rock bass.
Yeah, nice little rocky. Yeah, look at that little sucker. Nice little yellow.
I'm gonna have to hurt it.
Oh yeah, that happens.
I'm gonna have to hurt it.
Those little pigs, they swallow it down so far.
It's too bad.
Yeah, so did I. Little guy, ain't he? He's fine. Little cutie. Love me some little perchies.
But then he ended up having him cut off, I guess. Changed his mind later.
Yeah, definitely a bass.
Yeah, he did end up having him cut off.
Oh wow, he was fighting too.
He's a good fighter.
Yeah, well, he's gone now.
Oh, you lost him?
Yeah, little.
He was a good fighter.
Little fighter, yep.
What'd you have on there? Just more?
Yeah, it was a smallmouth bass. Kick.
Oh, you got it?
That's fine.
What's that?
Yes,
Thank you.
I'm not your servant. Just little nibblers. Oh my gosh.
Union Meadows in Union crappie? Yeah, black crappie. And I didn't know what it was.
I got a real smallmouth. And he a little cutie.
Oh yeah, there you go. You know what? Do you use that for bait?
Nah, I'm not gonna. I mean, there aren't really Campbells, I don't think, out here.
And Rush says she knows it too, and that's why she's eating it right up. Right. Because it's giving her, her a lot of stuff. Well, she's starting to raise money now. You know who's raising more money than anybody else? This is scary. Elizabeth Warren. Yes, exactly. I just don't get it. That one's bothering me more than any of them. But, I mean, she couldn't possibly win against Trump, I don't think. So I'd love it if she could win the nomination. Oh, I don't think she could beat Trump.
Big old bluegill I just caught.
Yeah, you got a bluegill. No, that's a bass. That's a bass. You got some, Jim?
Yeah, that's either bluegill or. Ow.
That's a bass.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Ow. Bite me.
Yeah.
All right, boy. Here you go.
That's a bass.
Back in the water you go.
Get him?
Yep, got something else.
Yep.
Small one, whatever it is. What?
Somebody close this.
There's a little switch or something down there. Oh, a little smallie. Smiley. Little smallie. Yeah, it's a little smallmouth. Yeah. All right, little smallie. I'll let the guy get bigger. Come back in about 2 more years and I'll probably. Yeah, and he's probably got enough
little guys, huh?
Another rock over here or something. Yeah, some kind of rock. Look at that rocky. Hey, Mr. Rock.
Too bad they weren't bigger.
Hello there, kind sir. Ow. Yeah.
Catching them like crazy.
All right, Mr. Rock. There you go. That's, yeah. Seems like the most I've got so far is these rocks.
Well, look what we're in.
Yeah. Well, it's better than nothing. It's better than catching a bunch of crappie or perch or something.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. Well, those perch are just junk fish. Some people eat them and consider them a delicacy, but I don't care for them that much.
Somebody building a cabin right here, so they're rebuilding it.
Yeah, yeah, wow.
See, it's on a foundation that was old, so they're allowing it. It's been grandfathered.
Yeah, the footprint.
You got a grandfather
Ready.
clause in there. You're
Got
good.
something, Jim?
Something was nibbling at it.
That's the same down in New Smyrna Beach, Florida, where I am. You can't put another house on that island. They won't let you.
Gotta put it on the same footprint.
But you put it on the same footprint.
Something's got it. wasn't even fighting. Another little rock.
Another one. Wow.
Didn't even fight. Didn't even. Yeah, luckily I got these. You're lucky, Mr. Rock. Alrighty then. That guy didn't even fight. Alright, just put that sucker back on there. Oh yeah. Sorry about.
Yeah, it is a ride.
They make nice bait, you know.
Yeah.
Let me tell you about the one we caught up to the other side of Wolfboro Bay, 19 Mile Bay, Jim and I.
No.
They caught a big old smallmouth pumpkin seed or something 4 years ago. Big.
Using one of them for bait.
Yep.
Yeah, I put it on there to see what would happen. It wasn't. It was just a few minutes later. Boom! We got a big one.
That's a good sign.
They should call this Rock Bass Cove.
Yeah, I was just gonna say the same thing. It went right straight through the
Ouch. Yeah, something's in on it. Whatever it is, it's not. Yeah, it's probably on here too.
Ooh, it's pretty shallow on the side.
Probably one of those. Oh wow! Oh my gosh! Yeah, that's very shallow.
Yellow. Not realizing how shallow this is.
You got something there, Jim?
Something, yeah, but in the way. Oh, but it's not real big.
It's still coming?
I think so. I got a lot of line out, so. Yeah.
Still got something on there?
Yeah, it's really small.
It's a fish.
Oh, wow. It must be tiny.
Fish.
Little, very small bass. Look at the size of Smalley.
That is about as small a bass as I've seen in a long time.
Yeah. Let's see if I can get the hook out of his little mouth. Probably this year's bass, maybe. Come on, open your mouth. Come on, be a good little boy. Gosh. All right, there he goes. He'll probably grow into a nice mature bass if some fishermen let him.
I don't know how far I can pick it up and get away with it with your gauge.
Oh damn! Got something big around here. Oh yeah, Smalley.
Yep, got a good one. Got a good one.
Need a net?
Ah. Oh. Yeah, now I got. Oh.
That's nice.
Damn! Look at the size of that mama.
Yeah.
Just give me a second. Come on, you phone. Yeah. Ow. That's barb on. Alright, be careful. And just alright, there we go.
I was told you were over here.
Yep.
That's what I was told to do.
Alright, boy. That's a nice little smallie.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
I got the size of him. Yeah. I got the biggest one of the day.
So far.
Day's not over yet.
Well, so far.
He's a little competitive, did you notice?
Yeah.
Competitive. Oh, relax. Shit. Alright, little guy.
That's too funny.
Alright, little guy. Yep, he was a cute little smallie. Yeah, I love keeping the big ones, but I also like throwing back the small ones. Let them grow into some big adults.
Is it a lie you're supposed to have this thing hooked to you?
No.
Alright, we're done fishing for the day. Got me a nice smallmouth. Got a few like a lot of rock bass. A couple of small rock basses. Here at Lake Winnipesaukee, where we're at now. I don't know, I'm loading back up over at Downing's Landing. And we'll be back home for too long. That was overall a pretty good day for me. And that's that. Yeah, picks up later. We're gonna go over and follow them now. Get the worms and everything back to the truck. Oh my gosh. What you doing? He's got back up. No, I gotta get over here. Hey kitty. Hey kitty kitty. What's he doing? What?
Like the worms got to come out. That's all.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
I don't think we can leave the rest of the stuff in there. I think.
I know, that's what I'm doing. Trying to get the worms out.
We do need to cover it.
Yeah, after later.